Hi guys, this is Nijo from India. I work as a technical lead in metadata technologies. This is really my testimony regarding Mark's 90-day mentoring challenge. Before I was really shy to post a video, but Mark really encouraged us, and right now he really helped us to break my shell of shyness and come out to do what I really feel. Thank you, Mark, so much. Thank you so much for the effort and the time you have put to groom us, mentor us, teach us, and help us. Another testimony I really wanna share with you is LinkedIn is my main social media. So before this mentoring session, when I post something, the maximum views I used to get is like around 1,000 views or maximum 1,500 views. But now the recent post I added in LinkedIn has got more than 10,000 viewers and many special reactions, comments. I'm getting more inquiries regarding the post I do. So this all because of the guidelines Mark has given to us, like how to engage with people, how to make connections, how to get knowledge from others. Mark, thank you so much. And even the technical advisors, I was really confused regarding my career, where to focus and where to specialize. I was struggling to manage with the different technologies, but his advices really mattered. Thank you so much. And I really advise or suggest people to join for the session and get maximum out of his experience. Thank you so much. Thank you guys.